CAD software training. Let's see about customization of Ribbonbar. So in the top right, you can make a right click. Here you can say dock and undock button will be there. If you undock it, the Ribbonbar can be moved at any place. And if you click on the cross mark, it can be closed, or also you can undock it, or also you can dock it also again. So this is how the Ribbonbar can be moved. And here you can see the quick access toolbars are available, and the top border is available. What are all the menu bars, toolbars available? It is based on these check buttons only. Suppose if we do not want any of the tabs or else any of the toolbars, we can get rid of it by turning off the checkbox. So now I'm going to turn off top border. You can see now the top border got vanished. Now I'm turning on. So similarly, you can turn off everything. Now queue status line also you can switch off, and you can turn. Suppose queue status line is turned off, means you can turn on by this way also. Here you can see all the tabs: home, analysis, assemblies. All these tabs are present. So these tabs are available based on this checkbox only. Suppose if you do not want the home tab, you can turn off it by switching off that from the ribbon bar. Similarly, all other tabs also you can turn on and turn off. So now you can see that most of the tabs I have closed. So because of that, it got vanished. You can turn on again. So these are all the basic options which we must know in the NX GUI as well. So if we do not familiar with these options, we may be looking for all the options, where it is located, how to bring it back, where the options are available. So that's why we are making, fundamentally we are making ourselves strong in the GUI and toolbars and menu customizations and all those things. Later we are going to see completely on modeling front. Let's see about QR status line. So generally the status line will be present in the bottom of the graphics window. You can see here. We can change the queue status line to the top border. Preference, user interface. See that ribbon bar will be there, top or bottom. You can move it into top. So once you do that, the QR status line will move to top. Suppose you wanted to bring it back to the normal bottom of the graphics window, you can move it back. So this is about QR status line. The queue status line may not be visible either in the top border or else in the bottom border. So that time you may need to turn on from the top border by making a right click and just turn on the queue status line. Let's see about customize dialog box. Then we will see the each and every option, how to customize each and every tabs and as well as commands. So now you can see here, this is a command of the customized dialog box. You can see all the options are available here towards the right side. I'm scrolling down and scrolling up. You can see each and every buttons can be configured. So now I'm going to tabs toolbar. So in the tabs, you can see all the quick access toolbar, all the tabs are available. Quick access, home, analysis, assemblies, all the options are available. All whichever is checked, it is turned on. So here you can see shortcuts. First, so in the mouse, when you make a right click, or also when you make a control shift MB1, MB2, MB3, what are all the options? That means what are all the toolbars you need it. We can configure it accordingly also. Here existingly, these are all the things it is configured in the NX default itself. Now moving on to the icons. So here you can see it is in the normal. So the size can be increased, or on the toolbar size can be increased, or else it can be reduced. Going back to commands. So here I am rolling down. In the tab toolbar, I'm going to customize in my own name, Suresh G. So I am creating a new tab with my name. So which are all the applications this tab should be visible, that we can turn on and that we can customize also. So now I have created my new tab over here with my name. So I'm going to add which are all the menus, or else which are all the icons, which are all the options I need mandatorily for my own purpose. I am just simply drag and drop whatever the options are available. Maybe it may be from different tabs also. We can bring it and we can configure it to our own tab what we have created now. So here you can see, so the tabs already present. Along with that, with my name also, I have created a tab. In that, what are all the customized toolbars I need, I can place it here like this. I can make use of it. So the frequently used options can be configured like this. So if you turn off from the right click from the customize button, so that tab will disappear. Suppose if you turn on, it will come back. So it is up to us to whenever it is required we can use it, whenever it is not required we can get rid of it. Already created customized toolbars also available in my name. This is how we are going to configure our customized toolbars. So hope you understand. If you have any doubts or clarifications, please write or comment. My email ID is nh.sureshg@gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel, NX CAD Software Training. Click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.